5 best ways to make your child feel special. Number 1. Doing something together, just the two of you. For example, watching a movie or reading a book. Number 2. Let them do something that you usually stop them from doing it. For example, let's eat an ice cream today. Or give them a chocolate. Number 3. Talking to someone else and telling them how amazing your children are, but be sure your child is in front of you. For example, he is so responsible, he puts all his stuff back. He is so helpful, he helps me in my work. Show affection to your child. For example, say I love you more often, or give her a hug and kisses on her cheeks. Last one is very important. Turn off your phones when you are interacting with your child. Be attentive. Actively listen when your child wants to tell you something. Parents, remember to keep doing these things for your children to build a beautiful relationship. Let's make our kids feel special because they are special.